Hey guys, welcome back to day 2, event number 2. Today's going to be the 2-wheel challenge. I was out early this morning and I laid some water down on the track. I was trying to get it so there wouldn't be as much dust kicking up. Hopefully that does the trick, but it's already getting hot and the sun's starting to burn it off anyways. So my mindset with this is I'm trying to keep true to Monster Jam form for the most part. So with this 2-wheel challenge, I think in Monster Jam trucks usually get 2 opportunities to get up on 2 wheels, be it the back wheels or either side of the side wheels. Depending on how this goes, because they are 2-wheel drive, I'll give them 3 or 4 opportunities. I'll splice the clips together to keep the action intense so that there's not a lot of dead time. If you notice, there's a bit of wind here today too, so what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to back these clips once I throw them together with some music, hopefully make it a little bit more enjoyable for you guys. Because I think this 2-wheel challenge is going to be difficult to pull off with these trucks, I was thinking about scrapping it and doing something like a big air competition or something, but I didn't want to take the chance of breaking these rigs today because I want to go all out for event number 3 tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and get some batteries in these trucks and we're going to get running. Alright guys, there you have it. Event number 2, the 2-wheel challenge, is in the books, and that was difficult to pull off. It's really tough to do it with 2-wheel drive rigs, but I gave it my best. Hopefully you guys think it's okay. What I'd really appreciate to hear from all you guys after you watch this is in the comment section down below. Let me know which one of these trucks here behind my left shoulder you think won the challenge. I'll let you know in a comment as well which one I think did the best job representing the 2-wheel challenge. Up tomorrow, event number 3, the final event, the freestyle event. And judging by what I experienced running these trucks out here trying to get them on 2 wheels, I'm hoping the freestyle challenge doesn't end up looking a whole lot like today's stuff. But to change it up in typical Hey Dad style, we're going to go ahead and in all these vehicles behind me tomorrow, we're going to be running 3S battery. That could prove for some utter devastation and a lot of money in parts for me. None of these rigs are rated for 3S, so I'm going to keep the run short, and hopefully I don't damage the electronics, but it should prove to be entertaining, if not costly. Guys, as always, I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. I think that's super cool. And until tomorrow, video number 3, everybody take care. Have a great day.